We have so many beautiful flowers around us. So today in this chapter, we'll talk about symmetry of flowers. We'll see for ourselves about the symmetry which is present in different flowers with examples. So, as per our NCERT chapter, Morphology of Flowering Plants, NCERT mentions three types of symmetry. The first one is actinomorphic symmetry, which is also called as radial symmetry. The second is zygomorphic symmetry, which is also called as bilateral symmetry. And the third one is the asymmetry or the asymmetrical flower, which is irregular flower. So let us discuss about each one of them in detail. The first one is actinomorphic flower. Actinomorphic flower is the one जो कि हम basically divide कर सकते हैं दो equal parts में by any vertical plane which passes through the center. Fine. So अगर हम flower के center में से एक vertical plane pass करते हैं, so वो flower को दो equal parts में divide करेगा. Fine. So here in actinomorphic flower you have many different planes which can divide the flower into two equal halves. For example, in mustard, in datura and in chili. Now let us see with the help of this diagram. This flower can be divided into two equal halves with the help of this plane. Let us consider it as the first plane which divides this flower into two equal halves. Then we can also have another plane. This becomes our second plane. ये second plane है जो कि इस flower को equal parts में divide कर रहा है. We can also have the third plane. ये तीसरा plane भी इस flower को दो equal parts में divide कर रहा है. Similarly, इस flower के और भी ऐसे planes हो सकते हैं जो कि इस flower को दो equal parts में divide करें. Second example can be this flower. Here also we can see so many planes. This is the first plane which divides the flower into two equal halves. ये भी एक second plane हो सकता है जो इस flower को दो equal parts में divide कर रहा है. And this is also the next plane. So ऐसे flowers जो दो equal parts में divide हो जाएं by a plane which passes through the center is the actinomorphic flower. Second type is the zygomorphic flower. Now what happens in zygomorphic flower? This can be divided into two equal parts by a single plane which passes through the middle of the flower. सिर्फ एक ही ऐसा plane होगा जो center से middle से flower के पास हो रहा होगा और वो उस flower को दो equal parts में divide करेगा. The examples given in NCERT are pea, gulmohar, bean and cassia. Let us see with the help of the diagram how the zygomorphic flowers look like. So this is the first example. You can see this plane in dotted line. This plane is dividing the flower into two equal halves. Okay. Similarly, in this flower also, we have this plane which divides the flower into two equal parts. Can you think of any other plane? There is no other plane. अगर आप इस फ्लावर को और किसी तरीके से दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना चाहेंगे सो वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता ज़ाइगोमॉर्फिक फ्लावर्स में. वन मोर एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक here as well. We can just think of one plane which can divide the flower into two equal halves. So this is the first half and this becomes the second half or vice versa. So this plane will divide the flower into two equal halves. ये फ्लावर्स जिनके पास सिर्फ ऐसा एक ही प्लेन हो सकता है जो कि इस प्लांट के फ्लावर को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है, such flowers are called as zygomorphic flowers. Let us see the third type now, which is asymmetric flower. Asymmetric flowers वो हैं जो कि दो equal parts में नहीं divide हो सकते. So whichever plane you try, you will not be able to divide asymmetric flowers into two equal halves. For example, if we see in this flower, we cannot think of any plane which is able to divide the flower into two equal parts. कोई भी ऐसा प्लेन सेंटर से पास नहीं हो सकता जो इस फ्लावर को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दे. Similarly, in Kana flower also, there is no such plane. इस flower की morphology ऐसी है कि कोई भी ऐसा plane इस flower को दो equal parts में divide नहीं कर रहा. So such flowers are called as asymmetric flowers. Thank you. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.